Hello everybody, this is a quick video about the DuroMax Hybrid XP 4850EH generator. Yeah, it's good for about 4850 watts surge and nominally or runtime of 3850 watts. I use it, I don't have a real big house here in Dallas, Texas, but it's good enough to run pretty much everything we need, including space heaters and a refrigerator and coffee maker and all the basics in case we lose power. We did actually lose power 3 years ago, so it came in really handy. I have not used it in 2 years. I was feeling guilty about just not maintaining it or anything, so I came out here and I noticed a couple of things that were bothering me a little bit. I'll just point that out. Here is the ventilation tube that was where this is. It connects and it vents the gases from the gas tank into the air filter area. And as you can see here, there it is. You can see it was cracking open. That's not good. And I thought, wow, it's only had to endure 3 winters. Interesting. And it's not like we're the Arctic area here. And then I noticed the same thing going on with the same type of tubing, smaller diameter, with the gas, with the propane, little propane tool, and that was here. So the tip that I'm presenting today is that, I went to the hardware store, I found some stuff, but I couldn't find anything that, I got that okay, no problem. But I couldn't find anything that fit that little guy. It's about 1/4 inch, I guess, ish. But I couldn't find anything that would fit it snug. And then I just happened to see out of the corner of my eye, some of this do-it-yourself water landscape sprinkler system that a lot of people have down here in the Texas area. I don't know about other areas. So like here's a sprinkler head, and you attach that hose to that to the end of the sprinkler head. But I thought, wow, would it be really lucky? Sure enough, this stuff fits perfectly to replace that little fuel propane line. So there you go. And that's really it. I added a tie wrap there to hold it in place. We'll see how long it holds. If it lasts more than 3 years, then how much was that? 10 cents worth, maybe, versus $6 to $10 buying a replacement hose. So cool find. Thought I would, number one, warn you, make sure you check those tubes, and number two, a cheap way to replace the gas line. The only other thing that I'll mention to you is that this is this particular generator, not only I'm using it for the house systems, but it's also providing power in emergency situations for my ham radio. So good stuff there. Thanks.